Hello friends, how are you? I think everybody now have a better. If you are looking for the top 5 best Victorinox Swiss Army watches, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, subscribe and share to my channel for more videos and press bell icon new video notification. Let's watch the video completely. Number 1. Victorinox FieldForce Sport Chronograph Quartz Black Dial Men's Watch. This watch. Date of first available, July 15, 2020. Model number 241890. Item shape, round. Display type, analog digital. Case material, 42 mm. Case diameter, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Nice dial color, black LCD band color, black, calendar, date, movement, quartz, water resistant depth, 330 feet. Number 2. Victorinox I.N.O.X Autumn Spirit watch with black dial and green paracord strap. This watch is for a lifetime. A lifetime of dates, drops and dives, of adventure, action and aspiration. The innovative paracord strap means this watch can play as hard as you do, while the exceptional Swiss quality keeps it working impeccably. With its modern matte finish, timeless class and agile design, it will make your everyday feel extraordinary. This watch date of first available, January 31, 2020. Model number 241894. Item shape, round. Display type, analog. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 33 mm. Case thickness, 13.7 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Dial color, black band color, green, calendar, day, movement, Swiss quartz, water resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 3. Victorinox I.N.O.X Carbon watch. With blue dial and blue nylon strap. The I.N.O.X Carbon defies the limits with its strong, stylish aesthetic, exceptional engineering, and pioneering high-tech spec, crafted from a carbon composite, capable of withstanding extremely high temperatures, with superior structural rigidity, scratch and shock resistance and hypoallergenic properties. It fearlessly tackles any adventure in its path. This watch, date of first available, July 26, 2019. Model number 241861. Item shape, round. Display type, analog. Case material, resin. Case diameter, 42 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Dial color, gray. Band color, gray. Calendar, date, movement, Swiss quartz, water resistant depth, 200 feet. Number 4. Victorinox Alliance watch. With blue dial and silver stainless steel bracelet. This watch date of first available, March 27, 2020. Model number 241910. Item shape, round. Display type, analog. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 40 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Dial color, blue band color, silver, calendar, day, movement, Swiss quartz, water resistant depth, 330 feet. Number 5. Victorinox Alliance watch. With silver dial and black leather strap. This watch date of first available, March 27, 2020. Model number 241905. Item shape, round. Display type, analog. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 40 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Band material, leather. Dial color, silver. Band color, silver. Bezel material, stainless steel. Calendar, day, movement, Swiss quartz. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Then more share this video for other people. Cheer up me for make new video. Please always think positive, be positive, do positive your full life and enjoy your life. Check out the description to find the product links.